So Jason,
Yes.
this is your Avanti, but I know you've done something to soup it up. Am I right?
Yes. So we've both got Avantis. You've got a turbine one and then a stock one.
Yes.
So I was going to try and catch up with your turbine with electric. So I fitted a WeMoTech 80mm Evo fan running 8S. So hopefully quite a bit more poke. We'll put a link to the fan in the description below so you can check the fan out. They're really good value for what you get performance wise.
Right.
So yeah, they are hopefully, we'll find out in a second, a lot more powerful than the stock FREEWING fan. So
Okay.
yeah, let's give it a go.
Interesting. We like a bit more speed.
And more importantly, it should have unlimited vertical. So let's give it a go.
Interesting to see if it sounds different as well.
Yeah.
It's how many blades?
I think it's 11 blade.
11 blade flame.
Yeah, so one less blade, but they're acoustically tuned. That's what I was
You know that acoustically.
Yeah.
What
so
are you talking
they try
about,
and
man?
Make them sound a lot nicer.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
So let's try.
Okay.
I think it's fair to say it's quite a lot more powerful, Dom.
Yeah, I'd say, think you're right, and it does sound really good as well. Within 400 feet, I'm sure. Oh my word.
So that's even half throttle, that's half throttle.
That's about what the stock Avanti does, I reckon. Keep going, keep going.
I'm struggling
Bury
to
it.
see it. We'll do it again.
there we go. So WeMoTech 80mm
Evo
fan with a het motor.
With a het motor, the stock het motor, it comes pre-fitted and pre-balanced. Wow, what a difference.
Yeah,
I mean,
huge difference.
That's a big difference in performance. The sound it sounds so much better.
And not a lot heavier.
I mean, you've got the actual fan is lighter because it's carbon as opposed to aluminium, the shroud, so there's quite a bit of weight saving there. And I've put in an additional 2S 5000 pack to make the 6S into an 8S. But you can buy the WeMoTech in a 6S flavour as well. That just drops straight in, no messing around with 8S speed controllers and stuff. So that's also an option. Not quite as powerful as the 8S obviously, but still quite a lot more powerful than the stock setup. So
Brilliant.
Yeah.
All right, thanks
Fantastic.
for the demo.
Great.
That's a good upgrade. Cheers. Well done, Mr. Wemotech.
Yeah,
I think we'll be going back for more.